Good morning, everybody. Once again, Dr. Salim is here with you guys. Let's talk some more questions, ARDMS review questions, and let's make our SPI examination from ARDMS registry, make it easier to pass the exam on the first attempt. Let me share the screen with you guys and discuss some more questions. Okay, so here is the question. The question is that if you look to this picture, it is asking that which probe was used for this imaging. So let me read the question for you guys. It says the following image is taken by which type of the transducer. So what do you think? The answers are a linear switched array, a linear phased array, mechanical transducer, convex phased array, or curvilinear array. What do you think? Which one is the correct or possible correct answer? Exactly, linear switched array or linear sequential array. Absolutely correct. Okay, let's do this question. Okay, the question is, it says, choose the correct name for the following transducer in the picture. So this is a transducer. What do you think? What's the scientific name for this one? What is the correct name? And I'm from physics. Is it PDOF probe? Is it linear sequential array probe? Is it a linear phase array probe? Is it convex array probe? Or is it a mechanical transducer? What do you think? Which one is the correct answer? Yes, I'm also agree. It is called a linear sequential array. B is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. Let's do the next question. Okay. The question is, the voltage is applied to a linear phase probe with a small time delay as below. Like how much is that time delay? Actually, the question is asking that how much is that delay time? Is it less than 100 microsecond? Is it less than 10 microsecond? Is it less than 1 microsecond? Or is it less than 0.01 microsecond? Or it's more than 10 microsecond? What do you think? Which one will be the best answer? Exactly. C is the correct answer. Less than 1 microsecond. That's why it's called a phased array. That phased word is actually, it's a time delay. When they fire the pattern of the pulses to create the pulses, it's a time delay actually. That's why it's called phased. Correct. Okay, next question. What shape of image is produced with linear phase array transducer? I will make it easy for you. The echo probe, more easy and simple. Is it a sector shape? Is it a rectangular shape? Is it a blunted top shape? Is it trapezoid shape or none of the above? What do you think? Exactly, that's a simple question. Sector shape image, absolutely correct answer. A is the correct answer. Now, the next question is, what shape of crystal are used in linear phase array transducer? So what is the shape of the crystal, the active elements? What do you think? Is it a disc shape? Is it a rectangular shape? Is it a ring shape? Is it a triangular shape? What do you think? Yes, correct. B is the correct answer. Rectangular shape crystals are used in linear phase array transducer. Absolutely correct answer. Okay, next question. What type of steering is achieved from phased array transducer? A very simple, easy question. ARDMS, these are all similar ARDMS questions. Okay. Is it mechanical? Is it electronically? Is it no steering? Is it A and B, like mechanical and electronical, or none of the above? What do you think? Which one is the correct answer? Yes, I'm also agree with you. It's electronically. The steering and phase array transducer achieved electronically. B is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. This question. With phase array transducer, what type of focusing achieved? This is, okay, I will give you a hint. It's almost the same question like we had it an above question. So is it internal fixed focusing? Is it external fixed focusing? Is it no focus at all in this type of transducer? Or is it electronic curvature? Or we can say all applied, like all of the above. What do you think? Exactly. D is the only correct answer. It says electronic curvature. That is absolutely achieved electronically correct. Okay, next question. Large size crystals will produce which type of focusing I will say. Is it a deeper focus? Is it shallow focus? Is it even not related to that? Like the crystal size is not related to the focus? Is it no focusing achieved with the large size PZT? Or is it none of the above? What do you think? Which one will be more suitable answer? Correct, makes sense. Yes, A is the correct answer, of course. Deeper focus. So the larger the size of the crystal, so they will have more deeper focus to be achieved. Of course, we're going to change the focal point, but normally we can say they will have a focal point a little bit deeper compared to the small size crystal. Okay, next question. If there is defective or damaged crystal and phase array transducer, what changes can be seen in the image? For example, one of the crystal is damaged. Would you think which of the following will be seen in the picture? Is it a vertical line drop off? Is it erratic or unreliable image will be? Is it horizontal line drop off will be seen? Is it total image will be lost? Or no changes seen at all? What do you think? Which one will be the correct answer? Yeah, it's a phased array transducer, just keep in mind. Exactly, B is the correct answer. It will be erratic or unreliable picture. It will be a picture we cannot count on it. So it is something not standard anymore. Correct. Okay, next question. Let's do this one. This is an easy question. How many crystals or active elements are there in a curved sequential array transducers? Like most commonly, this question is asking for the most commonly. Is it less than 100 crystals? Is it 102, 150 crystals? Is it more than 500 crystals in a transducer? Is it only one crystal or active element is in the curved sequential array transducer? Or from 50 to 100? What do you think? Which one is more makes sense or the correct answer? Yes, B is the correct answer. From 120 to 250 active elements will be there and a curved sequential array transducer. Absolutely correct answer. Okay, next question. Now, it is the following images achieved by using which transducer? Like this picture was taken by which transducer? So these are the options. What do you think? Which of the following transducer will give you this type of picture? So I will say this is a sector shape image just to make it easy for you. Is it a linear sequential array transducer? Is it linear phase array transducer? Is it convex phase array transducer? Is it linear sequential array transducer? Is it vector probe? What do you think? Which one will give you this type of image shape? Exactly. That is B is the correct answer. Linear phase array transducer, or you can say echo probe. Maybe that's a little easy to say. Okay, let's do the next question. Okay, almost the same pattern question. It says the following image is achieved by the using of which of the following transducers. So this picture is a little different from the above picture, the previous one. So what do you think? This picture was taken by which of the following transducer? Is it convex array? Is it convex phased array? Is it linear phased array? Is it linear sequential array? Is it linear switched array? What do you think? Which one is the best option to be chosen? Exactly. A is the only choice we can select it. Convex array or curvilinear array transducer. Absolutely correct answer. Let's do the next one. Okay, this is like a very simple, easy question. Select the correct name for the following probe. Now, this is a probe. That's the picture. I mean, clear picture, you can see. What do you think? What is correct name from the following options? We can use it for this probe. Is it a mechanical transducer? Is it a linear phase array transducer? Is it a convex phase array transducer? Is it a PDOF probe or is it a vector probe? What do you think? Which one is the correct option? Exactly, D is the correct option. It's a PDOF probe. Exactly, absolutely correct answer. Okay, let's see next one. Okay, this is also an image. So what is the following probe called? Or what is the name of the following probe? This, you can see it. Is it a vector probe? Is it a phase array probe? Is it a pencil probe? Is it convex probe? Is it a linear array probe? What do you think? Which one is the correct answer for this probe? Which one will go here? Exactly, I'm agree with you. It's a pencil probe, and that's the probe we use it for the ABI, Uncle Brachial Index, right? It's not, it's a continuous wave specific probe, and I will not produce a picture. Only we can know the velocity of the same thing like for the above picture, we had that image also for the PDF probe. You can see here for this probe also. This probe will not give you image, this probe. It will not give you picture image. It will only calculate a velocity for you. So it's a blend modality. This one, the PDF probe and also the pencil probe on here, this picture. Both of them are actually specifically designed for the, we can say, continuous wave ultrasound actually. Okay, let's do the next question. Now, choose the correct name for the following transducer or probe. What do you think? This probe or transducer is called which of the following? These are the options. Convex probe, curved switched array transducer, curved sequential array transducer, curvilinear array transducer, or all of the above. What do you think? Which one is the correct answer? Yes, all of the above. E is the correct answer. These are all go to the same probe. Absolutely correct. Okay, let's do the next question. Okay, so it is what type of steering is achieved with curved sequential array transducers? Is it electronic steering? Is it no steering? Is it mechanical steering? Or is it all of the above? What do you think? Which one is the correct option? For the curved sequential array transducers, exactly, there is no steering. So B is the correct answer. That is absolutely correct. Next question. So it says, what shape of image is achieved with convex array probes? So if we are using any probe, which is convex array probe, what type of image will give us? Like, what is the shape of the picture actually? So it will say blunted top, curved sector shape, blunted sector, all of the above, none of the above. What do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the convex array probes? Exactly, D is the correct answer. It's blunted sector, it's a curved sector shape, it's a blunted top. All of the three are the same thing, representing the same image. That is, D is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. Let's do 3 more questions. Okay, if a crystal or active element is damaged in curvilinear array transducer, what type of changes can be seen in image? For example, you're using a curvilinear array transducer, correct? Scanning abdomen. So one of the crystal is damaged. What changes do you see on your image? Okay, is it a vertical line drop off? Is it a horizontal line drop off? Is it unreliable, or we can say erratic picture? Is it total image lost, or all of them? So what do you think? Which one will be the correct option in this case? Exactly, correct answer. A is the correct vertical line drop off. One line will be drop off vertically. Absolutely correct. Let's do this question. Transrectal or transvaginal exams are done with which of the following probe? Correct? So it goes invasive. So what do you think? Which probe is the correct name for them? Is it linear phase array transducer? Is it convex phase array transducer? Is it linear switch array probe? Is it curvilinear array probe? Is it curved switch array probe? What do you think? When we do any studies of transrectal or transvaginal, so what do you think? Which probe we used like the most commonly? Which one is a suitable probe for that? Exactly, B is the correct answer. Convex phase array transducer, absolutely correct. That goes too close to the anatomy, absolutely. Okay, let's do the last question for this session, and it says electronic steering is achieved with which of the following probe? What do you think? Is it a linear phase array transducer? Is it convex phase array transducer? Is it a vector probe? Is it all of the above or none of the above? Electronically. So remember, electronic steering. Yes, I agree. D is the correct answer. For the linear phase array, for the convex phase array, and for the vector probe. 3 of them, their steering is actually electronically achieved. Absolutely correct. Okay, my dear healthcare providers, once again, thanks a lot for your time and attention. So please keep in mind again, these questions, their explanation will help you a lot. If you're a teacher, if you're practicing, if you're a student, if you're working in this imaging department, so if you're somewhere in the radiology and you put your diagnosis by the sonographic images, I believe these questions will help you a lot. Or if you're sitting for one of the board examination, if it's like a board exam of registry examination, especially like ARDMS or CCI. So right now, this session is going for the SPI sonographic principle and instrumentation examination. So next coming questions, once I complete these all 1000 questions, then I'm trying to use to have some other questions for vascular Doppler, RVT, RVS, and also for general abdomen, OBGYN, echocardiography, MSK, and all those things. So please remember, share the website. Sorry, share the channel, the YouTube channel with your friends, those who need this, but tell them to subscribe the channel as well. Thanks a lot and take care. See you later.